When it comes to heating system installation, Drexel Hill, Pennsylvania, we believe PJ Mac HVAC Service and Repair stands out as a top choice for quality, reliability, and expertise. As experienced professionals in heating, ventilation, and air conditioning, we bring the knowledge of a skilled heating contractor and air conditioning contractor to every project, ensuring each system is installed for optimal performance and efficiency. Are you looking for a HVAC contractor near me? You can stop looking. You found PJ Mac HVAC Service and Repair. Will a new heating system lower my energy bills? As experts in heating, ventilation, and air conditioning, we install modern systems designed to use less energy while delivering consistent comfort. We also recommend supportive services like air duct cleaning service, HVAC duct and vent cleaning, and proper insulation from an insulation contractor to minimize energy loss. Do I need to replace my ductwork when installing a new system? If your ductwork is in good shape, we can often integrate it with your new system. However, if there are issues, upgrading or modifying it may be recommended to ensure optimal airflow and efficiency. As a trusted heating contractor and air conditioning contractor, we focus on maximizing system performance, which may include services like HVAC duct and vent cleaning or air duct cleaning service before installation. Our goal is to ensure your entire system works together efficiently, so you get the best comfort and energy savings possible. What is your service area? Our PJ Mac HVAC Service and Repair serve the following Pennsylvania locations: Springfield, Clifton Heights, Wyndom, Glenolden, Broomall, Angora, Sharon Hill, Elmwood Park, Holmes, Collingdale, Folcroft, Tinicum Township, Darby Township, Eastwick, Yeadon, Lansdowne, East Lansdowne, Millbourne, Drexel Hill, Pennsylvania. Where is your PJ Mac HVAC Service and Repair office located? We are located at 642 Harper Avenue, Drexel Hill, Pennsylvania 19026, United States. Our phone number is 610-672-3046. Visit our website, https://pjmachvac.com/drexel-hill-ac-heating-repair-install/.